Why are they prioritizing LinkedIn more than any other social media? If you still don't have a LinkedIn profile and if you are a beginner, this video is for you. That's what the motive of this series. So I'm going to learn from you, you're going to learn from me. Every Monday, I'll be coming with new episode on your next move. Now your LinkedIn profile is ready. What's next? What's the first thing everyone does when they land a new job? Update their LinkedIn. Why? What's the reason? They can update in Facebook, WhatsApp, but why are they prioritizing LinkedIn more than any other social media? Whether you're an employee, freelancer, business owner, LinkedIn is the only gateway, the one and only best gateway for you to build powerful connections. But if you still don't have a LinkedIn profile and if you are a beginner, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to help you to build your LinkedIn profile from 0 to 1. So this video is going to be a step-by-step guide to build your LinkedIn profile. So stay tuned. And also thank you so much for your support for Your Next Move series. I think I'm so satisfied and happy with your comments and your criticisms. Every Monday, I'll be coming with new episode on Your Next Move. So I'm trying to make each and every video very detailed one and very useful one for the beginners. So the only thing I need from you guys is just do subscribe and do like, and whoever the people who wants this series, just do share with them. And also one more thing, especially if you get any questions and if you get any concerns about the things I'm speaking in videos, please do comment it out in the comment section, because I will learn from you guys. That's what the motive of this series. So I'm going to learn from you, you're going to learn from me. So let's learn together. Let's dive into this video. Now, to create a LinkedIn profile, you just need an email, nothing else. You don't need to pay for anyone. You just need an email or Gmail. So Gmail is free, so you can create a Gmail for free, and using your personal Gmail, you can create a LinkedIn profile. So once you create the profile, simple as it is, you need to update your name properly, first name and last name and things. And after that, number one is profile picture and cover picture. Yes, so these two are going to give the first impression about you to the network and the world. Okay, so you need to keep it professional. And when it comes to the profile picture, you should consider a few things. Keep the profile picture always like a half shot of your body, it's fine. Or else always keep it close-up shot. That will help the people to identify you easily. And also keep the picture always high resolution. The minimum resolution, just keep it like 1000 pixel into 1000 pixels. So that's resolution. Keep it always into that level, because when people click your profile picture and maximize it, and when they see if it's like blurry and all, like that's not going to give a professional look, and that's not going to connect you with the people, right? And one more thing, keep the background always just one single color. It's fine if you have a good picture with a colorful background, it's fine, but remove the background. You can use the tools like Canva and all, just remove it and keep it white or any other, just one color. And even more better if you have your brand color as your background color, so which is going to like those small details is going to like connect the customer or else the network with you very easily. Next is your cover image. So that's the point everyone makes a mistake. So in the cover image, most of the people like download any other cover images from the internet and just keep it like the quote and all. But what I recommend you to do is, you should keep your brand or else your personal brand details in your cover image. Minimum level, just the brand tagline or else the hashtag and things, or else you can even keep your contact number, email address, and what are you doing, like what are you specialized. So those type of things you can keep it in your cover image. Number two, headlines. Keep this in your mind. Your headlines isn't just job titles, it's your elevator pitch. So use that 220 characters to highlight your skills. What makes you unique? Why people should connect with you? So better you avoid cliches like result oriented and keep measurable impact. Okay, so to create a headline, you can write by yourself or else even you can use AI tools, no worries. But when you are making a headline using an AI tool, don't just go to an AI tool, I need a headline. Don't be like that. Be more specific. All the prompts, be more specific and ask a good headline. Definitely even using AI, you can generate a good headline, no worries. Number three is summary. So your profile must have a summary about you. So which is going to contact who you are, what you care about, what are the value you offer. Okay, so even this summary you can write by yourself or else you can generate using AI, no issues. But when you are generating using AI, be more specific. As I told before, be more specific, but always make it yours, polished, authentic, and also personal. So when you're generating using AI, keep these things in your mind, because otherwise whenever the person comes into your profile, because nowadays everyone uses AI, everyone uses ChatGPT, everyone uses like all the chat AI platforms, so they know how a AI generated text looks like. They can just easily find out this is AI or not. So be mindful. Number 4, experience section. So in the experience section, you should include all the experiences you have. It can be you might be a president of a club, you can include it. So you might be a leader of a team, you can include it. Or you are an employee for a team, you can include it. Even if you are a freelancer, you can include it. If you own a business, you can include it. No worries. But when you're including, just don't keep the job title and the place. Don't just leave like that. You can even include your achievements. Never include your task, but include the achievements you achieved in the specific experience. So for example, if you are already a web developer in a specific company, under the web developer experience, you can include, okay, I have in this company I have did these things. Especially I have more focused on the front end development. I was showcasing my React.js, CSS, HTML skills to the company. So something like that. So that's going to keep the experience section more detailed. Number 5, recommendation and skills. So I think the recommendations are the social proof for the LinkedIn profile. Yes. So in the skills section, you can include all the skills you have, and you can ask your previous work colleagues, or else your friends to endorse those skills. What do you mean by endorsing? Endorsing in the sense they are confirming that you have that skill you have mentioned in the profile. So that's going to give you more validation when an outer person or even a recruiter comes to your profile. So they will have a validation, right? Number 6, activate creator mode. You may ask, bro, I'm not a creator, but why should I turn it on? Simple. So when you turn on a creator mode, you're having much more features. You can showcase your projects. You can like showcase your projects and keep start one. I mean, you can order it, and like in the profile above, even the summary section, you can have your projects. So that's really valuable, right? Because more than anything, the word experience, skills, and the summary and all, your projects and the works are going to like attract the people, right? So it's better if you turn it on. And also in the LinkedIn, don't just create the profile and when you land a job, you just update the experience and again no post, no nothing. And after 1-2 years, again you are going to apply for a new job, you will come again and again applying and again updating the experience. Don't be like that. At least per month, at least post at least just one post minimum, like about your journey or the achievements you did in that specific month in the workspace or in your startup, whatever the thing, in school, it's fine. Okay, finally, number 7, network with purpose. Keep this in your mind. In LinkedIn, connections isn't about numbers game. Quality always beats the quantity. Okay, so you can't judge a person who has 10k followers or else who has 1k followers, and you can't go to a person who has just 200 connections and compare them and say okay, this guy is a very intelligent guy, or else this guy has powerful connection. You can't say like that, because the reason is more than the quantity. If you just have just 10 good connections, 10 powerful LinkedIn connections, that's going to help you to build your career, or else even build to grow your business. It's fine. So it's about the quality, right? So even when you are sending requests to a person, whoever the person, don't just send requests to the random persons continuously. Don't do that. Please don't do that, because I have that experience. Even in LinkedIn, I don't accept all of the requests I'm getting. I just go to their profile and value them. Okay, if they are good and if they are valuable, and if I feel if they are valuable for my connection, then only I approve. So And it's like this, they can follow you, that's fine, but connection is something much more bigger than that. That's what my point of view is. Okay, so even LinkedIn has a following feature. If you want to follow someone, you can just follow, and like simple. But connection is something more than that. They can message you, they can like communicate with you, they can have a chat with you. So it's like this. So keep the connections always quality. Okay, I think I have covered 7 main things you should consider when you are building your LinkedIn profile. I think from the profile picture to sending connection request, I think I have brought you from 0 to 1. Okay, but finally I'm going to address some do's and don'ts you should consider when you are building your LinkedIn profile and when you are having a LinkedIn profile. Okay, do always share useful contents, useful contents for your network. Okay, don't share irrelevant contents. And number 2, don't be overly salesy minded. Always focus on building relationships first. Don't, in the beginning itself, don't expect for sales, don't expect for customers. First build good connections. Definitely that good connection is going to bring you customers. So in the beginning itself, if you are always sales minded, I don't think so you'll be having good connections. So people don't like who always talks about money or even about the product. So there's a limit, right? So you of course you can promote your product or business in the profile, it's fine, but if you keep always posting about it, like people will get bored. So you need to switch the contents and engage with the community, and also in the messages also you can like talk different kind of things. Okay, and number 3, when you are talking about your business, please tag your profile. So this is a simple thing, you might have known about it, but when you're talking about someone or some business, just tag the business, because even someone searching about that business or else searching about that person, just chance you may get noticed. And number 4, don't do over tag. Don't do tag everyone, like right, in the Facebook and all, like when someone posting a picture, they tag everyone in their friends list. Don't do that in LinkedIn. At least don't do that in LinkedIn. Okay, so just tag if you want to tag someone, if they are relevant to the post that you are posting, then tag, it's fine. Otherwise just don't do that. Don't spam in LinkedIn. Okay, let's end this here. I think I have covered all the main key areas that I wanted to focus in this video. I hope that this video is useful for you. If you think if it's useful, do like and do subscribe. If you still not subscribed, do subscribe. And very important thing is, if you get any questions and if you want me to talk about any specific topic, please do comment it in the comment section. That's really valuable for me, because I'll be always learning from you. I'll be always willing to help you to build your career or else even the business. It's fine. Now your LinkedIn profile is ready. What's next? Stay tuned. I'll meet you on next Monday. See you. Bye.